Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change username in Windows 10 PC. In case you have created local user account on your Windows 10 PC and later you want to rename your user account without deleting personal files or folders, it is possible through Control Panel. For that, click on this one Start button. Then type here control. In the search results, click on this one control panel entry. In the control panel, set view by to category and then click on this one user accounts. Again click on user accounts. Now click on this one manage another account option. Now select your user account that you want to rename and then click on this one change the account name option. Now type a new name to use and then click on this one change name button. This will change that user account name to a new name and it will reflect any in everywhere including a start menu